G'day guys, welcome to Clifford's Motorsport. Now, this video here is going to be on how to install the Clifford's Motorsport staino conversion kit for your Hilux LN106. You get to remove your old plastic safari style snorkel and replace it with this, because quite often you don't actually get the opportunity to do this modification because they've already got snorkels on them. Now, my goal was to make a kit that didn't require any new panels to be installed, any major bodywork to be done, i.e. bog, paint, etc. I wanted a kit that basically hides where the snorkel used to be with the chance that there is going to be rust behind there as well. So recess it into the guard and then make an awesome looking snorkel for those 106 lovers. Yeah, you get to customise it, make it your own and enjoy, as well as also keeping the original antenna. Makes it nice and easy. Now, really happy with how this kit turned out, so I hope we can sell you on buying it off cliffordsmotorsport.com if you're in Australia, or cliffordsmotorsport.co.nz if you're in New Zealand. Now, I'm actually terrified of this, but I did crack it to see if I've got all the bolts loose. Don't know if I do. It's looking no. Jeez Louise. Holy doly. There we go, the snorkel is off. It's about now that I regret not starting with vacuum because I made a mess. It's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little bit rusty, but this is what we want to, oh yeah, that's what we want to see. That's what we want to cut out. So, it's a new day. And yeah, we're back at it. So basically, what we're going to need to do is we need to drill this original hole that you've got. This needs to be just over 4 inches. 4.18, something like that, 106 mil, I think the hole size is. But to drill that, well, we need a pilot hole because the guard's already got a hole. So, block of timber, well, just a theory, give it a shot. Block of timber, put it at the back of the hole. Boom. Alright there. Solid block of wood in there. Now we've got a pilot hole to drill the 4-inch hole. So what that means, ladies and gentlemen, is time to get your drill. Get your hole saw. Now these ones we use, oh shit, this one's cracked. 105 mil. Now, you're going to have a template to do this. I'm winging it. Oh no. Alright, well. Yep, sending it. Gosh, dilly darn, that was a spectacle. Well, now you got that. Don't need that anymore. I'm going to be drilling or cutting all the way down this line here, down the bottom of this line here, and then doing a nice radius down there. So, and this is when we're going to start putting a hole there, and that's going to be the finishing point, hopefully. Seven, mate. Like I normally say, no time like present. Stop. Now, those ugly holes in your guard is an even bigger ugly hole in your guard. But hopefully that allows us to add a provision for something cool. I think what we need to do is actually yeah. That's just going to protect us from spraying where we do not want it. The reason I'm not worried about the edges here, I want them to be covered, as well as the edging that we put on covers that all. This is going to be a first coat, just do it nice and light, and then go a bit heavier on the second coat. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the hole in the guard. We have the hole in the firewall enlarged to the 4-inch. You don't have to do it quite as big as 4 inches if you don't need to. What do I do with the joiner? This here is your 45 joiner, that's going to go in there as well. And then basically that's going to get your 3-inch inlet to just outside into your engine bay, and then you can plumb it up into your vehicle from there. We need to go about having a look at how this final fit's going to work. Now, this is a relatively universal fit for all 106s. So what we've got, this is going to place into the guard like so, and that's going to sit around about there. So you can rest that there. You want to grab your bracket and grab one of your rivets, and this is going to sit, I have it in the topmost hole, and that's going to sit up around about there. Basically what we're checking for is that the holes are going to line up, and in this situation that is perfect. Cool thing is, it's quite just a simple, very simple idea. On the back of the snorkel you can see there is multiple slots, so you might need to mount it down there for yourself or mount it up there. They're evenly spaced for our application. We have it in these top holes here. So once you're happy with the fitment, you might need to flog these holes out, oval them out a little bit so it can work properly, but otherwise that should not be an issue. Push. Put that on there. That there. We'll grab the 2 stainless steel security bolts. Basically that's just so people don't tamper with it, because there's not actually that much holding these on. They're quite a snug fit. So, awesome. Alright, so look at that. That's about as easy as it gets. If you've got an existing snorkel, this is a way that you can get a beautiful stainless steel snorkel on your rig. They look awesome, and yeah, they're quite customizable to your specific build. Highly recommend them. Bloody awesome. Hell yeah, brother.